your whiteboard, dry erase marker, and 5 small objects to count with. They might be a Lincoln cube or other small objects. We'll go ahead and get started. So this morning we are doing lesson 21. We'll look here on the board. I can show subtraction story problems. Now, subtraction, what does that mean? Who could raise their hand and tell me, what does that mean, subtraction? What do I mean when I say that? What do I mean when I use the word subtraction? Nicole?
Subtraction means like counting forwards and backwards like a number sentence or something.
Well, you can count backward. It's taking away. Subtraction means to take away. Take away is subtraction.
And that line is called linus.
Okay, so let's take a look at our warm-up this morning. Our warm-up's called take away. Remember, take away is another word for subtraction. Show me 3 fingers the math way. Do it now. Show me 3 fingers the math way. Awesome. Now take away 1 finger. Take away 1 finger. Show me. Your fingers should look like this. How many fingers are you showing me now? 2. Say the math sentence with me. 3 take away 1 is 2. Let's do it again. 3 take away 1 is 2. Excellent. Show me 5 fingers the math way. Show me 5 fingers the math way. Awesome. Now take away 1. Take away 1 of those fingers. How many fingers do you have now? 4. Say the math sentence with me. 5 take away 1 is 4. Let's do it again. 5 take away 1 is 4. Very good. Show me 2 fingers the math way. Show me 2 fingers the math way. Awesome. Now take away 1. How many fingers do you have left? 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. Say it with me. 2 take away 1 is 1. Show me 4 fingers the math way. 4 fingers. Now take away 1. How many fingers do you have? 3. Let's say the number sentence. 4 take away 1 is 3. Show me 1 finger the math way. Show me 1 finger the math way. Now take away 1. Take away 1. How many do you have left? 0. Very good. Let's say that math sentence together, that number sentence. 1 take away 1 is 0. Good job. Okay, open up your handy dandy math books to page 89. It's an 8 and a 9. See? Page 89. Miss Kate's and you all, we're going to do this story together. We're going to take it one sentence at a time. Make sure you've got a pencil to write with. 5 little green frogs were sitting on the side of the pond. Draw the frogs. Okay. I'm going to draw my frogs here. Actually, I'm going to draw them over here. 5 little green frogs were sitting on the side of the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drew my 5 frogs. You draw it too. It was so hot that 2 of the froggies decided to go for a swim. Cross out the frogs in your picture to show the ones who hopped into the pond. So it said 2 of the froggies decided to go for a swim. So I'm going to cross out 2. You do it too. How many froggies are still by the side of the pond? Show me with your fingers. Awesome. 3. Okay, let's talk about this. I need to write a number sentence, but before I do that, remember how we used to label our number sentence and we used a number bond to help us? Let's do another number bond. You can draw it on your paper somewhere too. Who can tell me what's going to be the whole in my number bond? What's going to be the whole? Russell?
Five. And there is also a name for takeaway, minus.
Minus, that is another name for subtraction and take away. Excellent. Okay, so our whole is 5.
Miss Kate, did I miss anything?
We just started, Anya. We're on page 89 in our math book. Okay, so our whole is 5. What are the 2 parts? Who can tell me? Landon, tell me the 2 parts.
2 and 3.
Excellent, Landon. The 2 that I took away and 3. Can I show you a trick? The 2 that I took away have X's, right? So I like to do this on a number bond when I take away. That lets me know those are the 2 that I took away. Now I've got to write my number sentence. So here's how I do it. My number sentence is down here at the bottom. We've got our mystery boxes, our minus, takeaway, or subtraction sign, our equals, and our answer. Okay, the first box, that's where your whole goes. Your whole goes first. This is different than when we were adding. Remember when we were adding? The whole went by the equal sign. That is totally different when you're taking away. When you take away, the whole goes first. So I need to put 5. Now, always on the other side of the subtraction is what we're taking away. If I look at my number bond, Which one did I put the X on? Which part? The number 2, right? So I took 2 frogs away. That's why I put the X there, because that shows the part that was X'd out. And then the part that's left are how many that's left? 3. So now I can read my number sentence like this. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Understand? Make sense? Easy peasy lemon squeezy? We're gonna practice it some more with Miss Emily. Let me grab my eraser. You can move your book to the side and go ahead and get out your whiteboard and your 5 cubes. Uh-oh. It's frozen. Let's see what happened. Oh.
Hello, mathematicians. I'm Mrs. Chandrasekhar. Today, we're going to be solving takeaway math stories. Let's get started. For this lesson, you'll need a whiteboard, dry erase marker, and 5 cubes. Pause the video to find your materials and press play once you have them. Guess what, mathematicians? These are not cubes. These are frogs. Show 5 frogs in a 5 group like this.
Okay, so on your whiteboard in front of you, put out your 5 objects. You got your objects, are we? Put out your 5 objects.
I'm using balloons because I don't have anything else.
That's okay. Hold on, friends, just 1 second. Put out your objects and then give me a thumbs up when you're ready.
Kristen Kubid, the Eureka coach, is trying to get into yours, but she said she doesn't have permission. Can you add her to your teams real quick?
I did add her to my teams.
Miss Casey, I muted. She meant to do that.
All right, let's see. So I've added her. Add a
Why she
member.
muted? I think she's talking about some grown-up business to somebody.
What's her name, Kristen?
Yeah, maybe she's talking.
How do we spell her last
Oh, I
name?
think it was on there.
Too.
Okay.
If you can put it in, there it is.
Maybe
Yeah.
to that special person.
Okay, and then we're
Yeah,
gonna hit add.
Miss
Something went wrong.
Kate,
An error
where's the-
occurred. Retry.
The special person.
Let me try
Remember
again.
there's somebody that I don't think we should be talking right now.
Okay, friends, now I can hear you. Sit quietly. I'm almost done.
Miss Kate?
Hold on 1
Miss
second.
Kate?
Hold on. It's not letting me.
Excuse me?
Maybe your email address isn't correct?
I
Miss
don't know.
Kate?
Hold on, friends. because it won't edit team. Or maybe it's because I'm
What do you
on
think
here
is
right
happening?
now. Do you think it's because I'm on here? Or it should let you do it even if you're
You
on?
can do it either way, I would think.
Um,
I'm gonna get her email address for you.
This case, how about you sign off and then when you're done, you sign back in again?
hold on, Nicole. Just hang on 1 second. Just gonna look at my email. Sometimes it sends me an email, but it didn't send me anything. But I did add her. I added her yesterday because I'm the one that asked Molly or told Molly that we have to do that or they won't let us in.
Okay. Yeah, her email is
Okay. That one. Kristen. Coverage. It's not even, but I'll just type the whole thing in anyway.
yeah, I would just do it manually and see if that does it. If it doesn't, then I don't know what we can do.
I don't either.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. I'm sorry it didn't work.
Okay.
Great minds. .org. And I'm recording so I can send it to her. It won't let me.
Hmm. Okay. I'll let Molly know and see if she knows what we need to do then.
Okay. But
Okay.
I did add her. I added her
Okay,
the other
yeah,
day.
yeah. Alright, I'll let her know.
Thank you.
And, yeah, if you wanna send her the recording, then that'd be good.
Yeah.
And then we'll go from there.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
All right, friends. Thank you so much for being patient. We had a quick question, and that doesn't normally happen. So I want everyone to take a second, and let's give ourselves a round of applause, and let's stand up and get our wiggles out. So stand up. Okay. Shake your left hand. Shake your right hand. Shake your left leg. Shake your right leg. Shake all over and spin around. Okay, sit back down. Okay, so everyone should have their 5 frogs, right? Okay, let's push play.
These frogs are sitting by the edge of a pond on a warm summer day. Can you see them? 2 frogs decide to go for a swim. Let's take 2 of our frogs away.
So take them away.
How many frogs are left?
Show with your fingers.
Say it.
How many frogs are left? Show me, show me, show me. Excellent.
Now show me with your fingers. Great job, friends. I saw you through the computer. Yes, there are 3 frogs left at the pond. Let's write our story as a takeaway number sentence. Think, think, think. Which number should I write first?
Oh, raise your hand. What number is she going to write first? DJ, what number is she going to write first?
2.
2? You think she's going to write 2? Okay. Who else has a thought? Think back to our number bond and what goes first. Smriti?
5.
5? Let's see what Miss Emily says.
Think. Say it. Yes, we should write the number 5 first. 5 is the whole amount that we started with. Because remember, there were 5 frogs at the pond. So let's get our marker and write the number 5.
So write 5
I will write
under
the
your cubes.
takeaway sign to show that we are taking something away. Let's write it down together.
Take away.
Now, what did we take away?
Oh, who remembers that? What did we take away? Carolyn, what did we take away?
You take away 2.
We took away 2. 2 frogs jumped in the pond. See if we're right.
Think. Say it. Yes. We took away 2 because 2 frogs went for a swim.
Awesome.
Let's all write the number 2.
Write it with her.
How many frogs were left? Whisper to the computer.
Or you
how many
can show
frogs
your
are left.
fingers.
Mm-hmm. Good. I heard you whispering. That 3 frogs are left. Let's write our equal sign and the number 3. First our equal sign, and now the number 3. Read the number sentence with me, loud and proud. Are you ready?
All right, let's read it loud and
Let's
proud.
go.
5
5 take
take
away,
away
2
2 equals
3.
3.
Great job, friends. Let's put our cubes to the side and erase our boards.
Okay.
Now, let's close our eyes and listen to my story.
Okay, so your board is fresh and clean. Take a deep breath in, let a deep breath out. Let's close our eyes and listen to this number story, okay?
Try to see the story in your head. Ready? Close your eyes. There were 4 butterflies on a flower. 2 of the butterflies left to go to another flower. How many butterflies were left? Open your eyes and listen to each chunk of the story. There were 4 butterflies on a flower. How could we show that? Lean into the computer.
Okay, raise your hand. How can we show 4 butterflies on a flower? What are we gonna do? What do we need to do? How can we show this? Are we?
We could draw the flower and put the butterflies on the flower.
Very good. You can draw the flower. Very good. And then put the butterflies on it. What could you use for your butterflies that we just used before? Could you use your cubes? So you could draw a flower and put 4 butterflies with your cubes around the flower. Let's see what Miss Emily says.
And tell me how we could show that. I'm listening with my magic ears. Yes, I heard a friend say that we could show our butterflies with our cubes. Let's do that.
Oh, we said that.
There were 4 butterflies, so let's put out 4 cubes in a line.
She's doing hers in
1
a line.
butterfly, 2 butterflies, 3 butterflies, and 4 butterflies. I'll try to line them up nice and neat. When I was listening, I also heard a friend say that we could draw the butterflies. So let's pick up each cube or butterfly and draw circles to represent the butterflies.
Okay, so
Like
you're gonna
this.
do what she
Take your
does.
dry erase marker, pick up a cube or butterfly, and draw the butterfly. Put the cube to the side.
Good job, friends. I love how I see you working. Make sure you're doing what Miss Emily is doing.
Great, now we have drawn 4 butterflies. Let's keep listening to the story. 2 of the butterflies left to go to another flower. How can we show that? Lean into the computer and tell me how we could show that. I'm listening with my...
Okay, so how are we gonna show 2 butterflies leaving the flower? What can I do? How do I show that? Landon, help me.
You can erase them.
You could erase them, but I worry when I erase, I forget my whole. So what's another option that I could do, Landon?
You could cross them out.
I like that one better, because then I don't forget my whole. Let's see what Miss Emily says.
My ears. Yes, I heard some friends say that we could cross out the butterflies. Good idea. Let's all cross out
Good
the
idea,
2 butterflies
Landon.
that left to go to another flower.
Okay, we're gonna cross them
Take our
out.
marker and cross out 1 butterfly, 2 butterflies. Great job. How many butterflies were left? Well, what is our picture telling us? On the screen, point
Show
to how
me with your
many butterflies
fingers.
are
I
left.
already love how friends are doing this, and I don't even have to ask.
Now say the number.
2
Yes,
butterflies.
2 butterflies are left. Let's write our story in a math sentence.
Okay, we're gonna write our
Pause
math
the video
sentence.
and write the story in a math.
So, in our math sentence, let's go. We're ready for this. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. So, I'm gonna do my math sentence starting out. You do it too. Do what I'm doing. Let me see who's moving those markers. All my friends are moving their markers. I like it. So, let's look at the first part of my math sentence. Let's take a look here. What am I going to put at the beginning of my math sentence? What am I going to put? Nicole.
Maybe 4.
Yeah, the whole. The whole goes first when you're subtracting
Miss Kate, can
or
I
taking
tell you
away
something after class?
after class. Okay, what is going to come after my whole? Do you remember? Smriti, what comes after the whole?
2.
The ones that you took away. So 2 comes after my whole. And then the other part that's left is my answer. Let's make sure we put our microphone on mute, Smriti. Okay. So, now when we read our number sentence, it says 4 take away 2 equals 2. Could we write our number sentence a different way? Can you write this a different way? If you think you can, raise your hand and tell me. Ryan?
The same.
What do you mean the same?
4 equals 2 and 2.
Right. When we are subtracting, we can't switch these numbers because our biggest number always has to be first when we subtract, right? I can't take 4 away from 2. There's not enough fingers to take them away. So we need to keep these numbers the same, but we could put our answer first. 2 equals 4 minus 2. That we can do. We can put the answer first, but these two need to stay the same, where the larger number is always first. Okay, friends. Go ahead and put your lid nice and tight on your dry erase marker. Clear off your board nice and clean. And we are going to take a look at our problem set. Oops. Hold on.
Miss Kate, what are you doing?
I'm having us take a look at our problem set.
Kate,
Okay.
Kate,
Yes.
somebody's not doing it. That's why you can't hear.
Alrighty. Let's take a look at our problem set. That is on page 91. We're going to start here, and we're going to take a look at these problems together. Here it says, Tyler bought a cone with 4 scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. He ate 1 scoop. Cross out 1 scoop. How many are left? Do it on your paper. Cross out 1 scoop, and in our mystery box, I want you to write how many are left. All right, how many are left, friends, when we cross off 1 scoop that he ate? Show me with your fingers. 3, very good. There are 3 scoops left. 1, 2, 3. 4, take away 1 equals 3. All right, let's take a look here. Eva ate ice cream too. She ate 2 scoops. How many scoops were left? What am I going to need to do to help me solve this problem? I need to show that Eva ate 2 scoops. How do I do that, Nicole?
You just like cross off it.
How many do I cross out? I cross out all of them?
No, cross
No.
out 2.
Oh, because she ate 2, I need to cross out 2 scoops. Now I see how many are left. How many are left? Show me with your fingers. Show me.
2.
Yep, mute your microphone, Nicole. There are 2 left. Excellent. Okay, let's look at this story. There were 4 bottles. 3 of them broke. Oh no, you know what? Since they're broken and I'm gonna be taking them away, I'm gonna put an X over that number. How many bottles were left? There were 4 bottles. 3 of them broke. How many are left? Show me with your fingers. 1. Our number sentence shows 4.
Pace.
Nope, mute your microphone. 4, take away 3 is 1. Excellent. Yes, DJ.
Done.
Okay. All right. Oh, look here. There's no picture for us. Can we figure it out? I think we can too. Anthony had 5 erasers in his pencil box. He dropped his pencil box and 4 erasers fell on the floor. So how many erasers fell out? Show me with your fingers. 4. I'm going to put an X because they fell out. How many erasers are in Anthony's pencil box now? Draw the erasers and fill in the number sentence. Well, what do I do? Where do I start? Who can help me? Russell.
You first draw five erasers, then
Because that was my whole.
4 erasers.
Right, I first draw my 5 erasers, because that's how many I started with. Whoops. And then 4 of them went away. They fell, because I dropped my box. So I need to cross 4 of them out. Okay. Now what? Where do I go from here? I had 5 erasers and I dropped 4. What does that tell me? What is my picture saying? Estelle, what's my picture saying?
What do you mean what your picture's saying?
What do I do now? I had 5 and I crossed 4 out. So what do I do?
You write 1 inside your box.
Oh, because there's 1 eraser left. Thank you, Estelle. So my number sentence says 5 take away 4 equals or is 1. I want you all by yourself, but I'm going to stay on with you in case you have a question, to do this last one. I'm going to read it to you. So let's pay attention. Tanisha had 5 grapes. She gave 3 grapes to a friend. How many does Tanisha have now? Okay, so she gave 3 to a friend. Draw the grapes and fill in the number sentence. Do that on your own. If you have a question, raise your hand and I will answer you. What's your question, Adeline?
I had too much noise, so what did you say again?
Okay. Tanisha had 5 grapes, but she gave 3 away. Draw the grapes and cross out what she gave away. Then write your number sentence. Nicole, do you have a question?
Yeah, so when we pick up the box, can we just open it or we have to leave it alone?
We'll talk about that after this. Okay. If you friends are good, I'm going to go ahead and let us go because I'm going to check these to see, without your grown-up help, I'm sure you guys did great. So don't forget to submit this picture, this page, and page 92 so Miss Cates can check it. All right?
Miss
Okay.
Kate?
Now, don't
Bye.
forget, between 11 and 11:30, you can pick up your Valentine box.
Miss Kate? Miss